Understanding Corporate Messaging, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting topic that you might come across in business English: corporate messaging. Whether you're studying English for professional reasons or just curious, understanding this concept is key. So, let's break it down together and make it as simple as possible. Corporate messaging refers to the way a company communicates its values, goals, and identity to the outside world. This isn't just about advertising products or services, it's about telling a story. A company's message can be seen in its marketing materials, press releases, and even the way it interacts with customers on social media. The goal is to create a consistent and positive image that resonates with both customers and employees. Why does this matter? Well, in today's fast-paced world, having a strong corporate message can make or break a company. It's not just about what you sell, but who you are and what you stand for. This messaging helps build trust and loyalty among customers, attracts new ones, and even affects the company's reputation in the industry. It's a way for a company to differentiate itself from competitors. To craft a successful corporate message, companies focus on several key elements. Clarity. The message should be clear and easy to understand. Consistency. The messaging should be consistent across all platforms and materials. Engagement. It should engage the audience and invite them to interact. Authenticity. The message must be genuine and reflect the true values of the company. Despite its importance, corporate messaging is not without its challenges. Miscommunication can lead to public relations issues, while failing to update messaging can make a company seem out of touch. It's a delicate balance to maintain relevance, authenticity, and clarity in a constantly changing environment. We hope this video has shed some light on the concept of corporate messaging and why it's so crucial in the business world. Remember, it's not just about selling a product or service, it's about communicating who you are as a company to the world. Thanks for watching, and we hope this has been informative. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.